Consider there is one competition was conducted in your school or college. On that gaming competition, people have to break the glass by using a ball in single attempt. They can choose any ball on their wish. Assume that 3 players were participating on that competition. Among those 3 players, 2 players choose football and another player choose bowling ball. After choosing the ball, they started their game. Now, do you have any idea who will win in this competition? Each might have a different answer. So, let's see what is happening.
Player 1 stand in a place and throw the football. The ball hits the glass but it doesn't break. Player 2 run fast and throws the football on the glass. The glass breaks. Let's take these two scenarios to know the difference. Both the players were using the same football. Player 2 breaks the glass but player 1 does not break the glass. Why? Well, the reason behind this is the player 1 throws the ball slowly so the glass doesn't break. Player 2 throws the ball fastly so the glass breaks. Now we have to raise two questions from these scenarios. Question 1. How we found that the ball of player 2 is faster than the ball of player 1? The answer is speed. The speed of the ball of player 2 is greater than the speed of ball of player 1. Speed is called the distance travelled by a ball in particular time. For example, let's consider that ball is travelling 50 km per hour. Question number 2. In what direction does the ball is travelled? To know the answer for this question, we have to learn the new thing called velocity. Velocity is called the distance travelled by an object in particular time in specific direction. Now, we can say that ball is travelling 50 km per hour towards the glass. While comparing both speed and velocity, speed will not give us the direction of the ball, but velocity can give the direction of the ball. That's why we are using velocity here. Let's relate this game with physics. In our example, player 1 throws the ball with low velocity, so the glass doesn't break. Player 2 throws the ball with high velocity, so the glass breaks and he won the game. Now, let's see what the third player did. Player 3 chooses bowling ball to break the glass. He stands at the place and throws the ball into the glass. The glass breaks. While comparing to the previous scenarios, the player who throws the ball after running wins. But in this case, player 3 would not run. He just stand at the position and throw the ball. But still the glass breaks. Why? It is because of the high mass of bowling ball. Now, the player 3 also wins. Oh no, what is mass now? Mass is nothing but the total amount of materials which the object is made up of. For example, if a ball is made up of 5 kg of plastic or cement, the mass of the ball is 5 kg. Hence, the person 3 wins because of his ball's high mass. We have to infer some informations from these all scenarios. Number 1. If the velocity of the object is low, we can't able to break the glass. Number 2. If the velocity of the object is high, we can break the glass. Number 3. If the mass of the object is high, we can break the glass. Now, you may have some questions in your mind. What is the relationship between all these things? How the breaking of the glass depends on velocity and mass? Well, the answer for all your questions is momentum. Only by creating a good momentum, the player 2 and player 3 won the competition. Let's see what is momentum. Momentum is nothing but the force on a moving object, which is the combination of mass and velocity. In our example, the player throws the ball with some force. The ball has some its own mass. While throwing the ball, it creates some velocity. The combination of all these things is known as momentum. Let's see this as a formula. P equal to m into v. Here, P is the momentum, m is the mass of the object, that is ball, v is the velocity of the object which is creating while throwing the ball. Hence, the formula of momentum is P equal to m into v, that is the product of mass and velocity.
Let's see the quick recap of what we have seen in this video. Momentum is the force that creates by the combination of mass and velocity. Momentum is represented as P. The formula of momentum is P equal to m into v. If the player creates a good velocity or good mass, he can create good momentum. But if he fails to done any of this, he will not have a good momentum. So, we declare that momentum is a force depends on mass and velocity. Now, you could understand what is momentum. If you are having any queries, kindly post your questions in Google form given in the description. We will answer for that. To watch more informative video like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for instant notification of our new videos.